The Google Pixel 6 made its mark as one of the best budget Android phones in 2022, thanks to its powerful hardware, great cameras, and premium construction. Anyone who wants an affordable phone with power that rivals flagships can't go wrong with Google's latest offering, especially considering the steep discounts we've seen at retailers across the web. As you might expect, this year's Pixel 7a will likely pull inspiration from last year's Google Pixel 7 and Google Pixel 7 Pro. Google's latest flagship devices are its best yet, perfectly setting up the 2023 A-series phone to be a budget home run. Here's everything we know about the Google Pixel 7 so far. While we expect the broad strokes of the Pixel 7 is designed to mimic the Pixel 7 in the same way that the Pixel 6 and mimic the Pixel 6, there are a few surprising rumors about the design floating around. We've heard rumors about an upcoming Google Pixel device codenamed Lynx that, despite early word suggesting a high-end member of the Pixel 7 family, now seems to be the Pixel 7a. Some key premature rumors didn't help in the confusion either. As reported by Tipster Digital Chat Station, the Google Pixel 7 might have a ceramic body, making it the first Pixel device to do so. That would be a significant upgrade, and not just over previous A-series models that usually relied on plastic bodies. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro use Gorilla Glass Victus on their displays and backplates, not ceramic. Still, there's good reason to believe these reports, as Google confirmed its upcoming Google Pixel tablet will sport a nano-ceramic body back at its Made by Google 2022 event. Despite the potential change in materials, early renders for the Google Pixel 7 show a phone nearly indistinguishable from the Pixel 7. In its white colorway, the Pixel 7 reuses the same matte silver frame, the same glossy back, and a 2-camera setup. More on that below, and a flat display up front. Reportedly, the Google's upcoming budget phone is nearly the exact same size as the Pixel 6a, measuring 2mm taller, 1.1mm wider, and 1mm thicker. For specs, Digital Chat Station also claimed that Lynx would use the Google Tensor D2 processor, a 50-megapixels camera with a periscope lens and a hole punch screen. The inclusion of the Tensor D2 is what we would expect from the Pixel 7a, as the Pixel 6 ships with a first-gen Tensor chipset, which debuted with the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro developer Kubo Wojciechowski. Also unearthed that the Pixel 7 will support wireless charging, a low-power 5-watt chip suitable for charging earbud cases. Perhaps the biggest improvement between generations is the addition of a 90Hz display, something confirmed by a leaked pre-production model. Someone managed to get their hands on an early unit, showing it off from every angle and confirming that, yes, the Pixel 7a will have a high refresh rate display. If the Pixel 7a is, in fact, this Lynx device we've heard so much about, it sounds like it'll use a Qualcomm-branded modem. That's a big shift away from the controversial Samsung modems of the last 2 Pixel generations, and along with the ceramic build, it sounds like it might be an even better option than the plain Pixel 7. Meanwhile, the person who managed to get their hands on an early Pixel 7 discovered it's rocking 8 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage, though that tweet has now been deleted. 9to5 Google recently confirmed some of the Pixel 7 rumors we heard last summer regarding the Pixel 7's camera. The sensor on the 50-megapixels camera is the same Samsung GN1 found on the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. A Sony IMX787 64-megapixels sensor for telephoto and a Sony IMX712 for ultra-wide round out the Pixel 7's camera arrangement. If true, this means the 7's cameras could offer nearly identical imaging quality as the Google Pixel 6, which is still exceptionally good. This would also mark a shift from the Google Pixel 6a, which used hardware dating back to the Pixel 3. It's common for Google to rely on older sensors, letting that post-processing magic do much of the work. But considering the Pixel 6 represents a step above previous generations in our camera tests, we're excited to see where this goes. At this point, if you've used a recent Pixel phone, you likely know what to expect when it comes to hardware. Unlike with its legacy Nexus phones, the Pixel series provides a wholly unique take on Android, one focused on a clean aesthetic and providing you with tons of ad-powered tools and features. The Pixel 7a is unlikely to break that trend. Really, the only question surrounding this phone's software experience is whether it'll ship with Android 13 or come out of the box with Android 14. If you felt that the Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro were too pricey, the upcoming Pixel 7 might be just what you want. If it manages to retain the affordability of the 6a, it may very well be one of the best Android phones of 2023. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Pixel devices? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.